This is 60 Sec Tech. This video explores Auto Process Select. When the power source isn't near the weld joint, every weld process change means a walk to and from the power source. If the job requires multiple weld process changes throughout the day, that means multiple walks to and from the power source, and that means wasted time and money. Auto Process Select saves time and money because it automatically sets the XMT350 Field Pro to the correct weld process based on the polarity applied to its arc reach feeder or remote. When the arc reach feeder or remote is disconnected from the XMT350 Field Pro, it automatically returns to its previous settings like stick or gouging. It all means fewer walks to the power source, so welders can spend more time doing what they do best: welding. Auto Process Select, saving time and money.